Hey, this is Coach Willie, the Holistic Trainer, and this is a demonstration of the prone scorpion exercise. This is an exercise done on the floor, on your stomach, so make sure that the surface you're laying down in is comfortable. This can be a soft rug, or if you're on a harder surface, lay down something that can provide some cushion. The exercise begins by lying down on the floor. And this is going to be an exercise where we're alternating side to side. So with one arm, you're going to be on your hand with your elbow pointing back. The other arm is going to be extended out to the side, and we're going to look towards the elbow that is bent. You're going to begin this exercise by bending the knee on the side of the bent arm, and then extending that hip up, and then you're going to rotate your torso as you bring your foot towards the opposite hand. And returning in the opposite direction. And then we repeat on the other side. Extending the arm out, bending the elbow, looking towards the elbow that's bent, bending the knee, extending the hip, rotating the torso, bringing your foot towards your hand. When you're doing this exercise, you should work through pain-free range of motion. There is going to be a subtle discomfort, especially if you're new to this movement, but you shouldn't feel pain as you're doing this. You may also not be able to get your foot all the way to your hand, especially in the beginning. So work through the fullest range of motion that you can control. You might have to stop a little higher like so. And over time, your goal is working on getting that foot closer and closer towards your hand, with the ultimate goal of being able to touch your foot to that opposite hand. The breathing for this technique goes as follows. As you're extending your hip and rotating, you're breathing in and exhaling as you're returning back. As you're doing this, if you notice you have a big difference in the control and range of motion in one side, you're going to do extra repetitions towards that side that's more uncomfortable or challenging. So for example, if going this direction is more difficult, I would perform 2 or maybe even 3 repetitions going to this side for every 1 rep that I do to the easier side. Again, this is an exercise done alternating side to side. So pay attention and notice if you do feel that there is a substantial difference in your mobility in either direction, and do more repetitions to your more challenging side. And this is a demonstration of the prone scorpion exercise.